Welcome to Learning English at Home. Today, you'll practice real English conversations at the bank, situations you really use in life, like reporting a lost debit card, applying for a car loan, sending an international transfer, setting up online banking, and starting a savings plan. Learning tip: first listen, then repeat each line aloud. Practice both roles, customer and bank staff, to improve speaking and listening at the same time. If this helps you, don't forget to like, share, and follow so you never miss new Real English Conversation practice videos.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. How can I help you today?
My name is Alex Turner. I think I lost my debit card.
I'm sorry to hear that, Mr. Turner. Don't worry, we'll take care of it. May I see your ID, please?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. I'll first block your card so no one can use it. When did you last remember having it?
I used it last night at a restaurant. This morning, it wasn't in my wallet.
I understand. Have you checked your account for any strange or unknown transactions?
Yes, I checked quickly on my phone. Everything looks normal so far.
That's good. I've now blocked your card so it can't be used anymore, even with the PIN.
Great, thank you. Can I get a new card?
Of course. We can issue a new card and send it to your home address, or you can pick it up here at the branch. What do you prefer?
Please send it to my home.
All right. It should arrive in about 5 to 7 business days. Until then, you can still use online banking and mobile payments.
Okay, that helps. Is there any fee for the new card?
There is usually a small replacement fee, but I can waive it for you this time.
That's very kind of you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Would you like to turn on instant alerts for your card transactions?
Yes, please. That would make me feel safer.
Done. You'll now receive a message whenever your card is used. If you see anything suspicious, contact us immediately.
Perfect. I feel much better now.
Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's all. Thanks again for your help.
My pleasure, Mr. Turner. Your account is safe. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Key phrases you learned today.
Starting the conversation.
How can I help you today? I think I lost my debit card. My name is...
Blocking the card.
I'll block your card so no one can use it. Have you seen any strange transactions? Your card is now blocked.
Getting a new card.
Can I get a new card? We can send it to your home address. It should arrive in 5 to 7 business days.
Security and alerts.
Would you like to turn on instant alerts? Contact us immediately if you see anything suspicious. Your account is safe.
Good afternoon. I'd like to ask about a loan for a car.
Good afternoon. I'm Rebecca. Please have a seat. Are you interested in a car loan?
Yes. I found a used car I want to buy, and I need some extra money.
Sure. How much would you like to borrow?
Around $12,000.
All right. Do you already have an account with our bank?
Yes. My salary is paid into my account here every month.
Great. What do you do for work?
I'm a software developer at Bright Tech Solutions.
Thank you. We'll need your ID, proof of income, and some basic details. Do you have your latest payslips?
Yes, I brought my last 3 payslips and my job contract.
Perfect. Our car loan interest rate starts from 8.5% per year, depending on your credit history. You can repay the loan over up to 5 years.
I'd like to finish in 3 years, if possible.
That's a good idea. A shorter term means a higher monthly payment, but less interest overall.
That makes sense. Can you estimate the monthly payment?
Sure. For $12,000 over 3 years, your monthly payment is around $380.
That sounds manageable. What if I want to pay it off early?
You can settle the loan early. There is a small early repayment fee, but you still save on interest.
Okay. How long does approval usually take?
Normally 1 to 3 working days if all documents are complete.
Great. I'd like to apply.
Wonderful. I'll help you fill out the application form. Please check your personal details and sign here.
Done.
Thank you. We'll contact you by phone or email once your loan is approved.
Thanks for explaining everything so clearly.
My pleasure, Mr. Brooks. Have a nice day.
You too.
Key phrases you learned today.
Asking about a loan.
I'd like to ask about a loan. I found a car I want to buy. How much would you like to borrow?
Documents and conditions.
Do you already have an account with our bank? We'll need your ID and proof of income. Our interest rate starts from
Repayment and approval.
I'd like to repay it in 3 years. Can you estimate the monthly payment? How long does approval usually take?
Applying and confirming.
I'd like to apply. Please sign here. We'll contact you once your loan is approved.
Hi, I'd like to send money overseas.
Hello, I'm Olivia. Which country would you like to send it to?
To Germany. I want to send money to my sister.
All right. Would you like to send it in euros or US dollars?
In euros, please.
Okay. How much would you like to send?
1,000 euros.
Today's exchange rate is shown on the screen. There is also a transfer fee of $25.
I see. So how much will be taken from my account in total?
After conversion and fees, it will be about $1,095. Let me calculate the exact amount.
Yes, please.
The total is $1,094.60. May I have the recipient's full name and IBAN, please?
Sure. Her name is Anna Mueller, and here is her IBAN.
Thank you. What is the purpose of the transfer?
It's family support and living expenses.
All right. The transfer usually arrives within 1 to 3 business days. The receiving bank may also charge a small fee.
Okay, I'll tell her. Can I track the transfer?
Yes, you can. Here is your reference number. You can use it to check the status online or call us.
Great. I'd like to pay from my current account.
No problem. I can see you have enough balance. Please confirm the amount and sign here.
Done.
Thank you. Your international transfer has been submitted.
When should the money arrive?
Most transfers arrive within 1 to 3 business days, depending on the foreign bank.
Perfect. Thanks a lot for your help.
You're welcome, Mr. Evans. If there's any delay, contact us with this reference number.
I will. Have a nice day.
You too.
Key phrases you learned today.
Starting the request.
I'd like to send money overseas.
Which country would you like to send it to?
I want to send money to my sister.
Currency and amount.
In euros, please.
How much would you like to send?
Today's exchange rate is...
Fees and total.
There is a transfer fee of...
How much will be taken from my account in total?
Let me calculate the exact amount.
Details and tracking.
May I have the recipient's full name and IBAN, please?
What is the purpose of the transfer?
Here is your reference number.
You can track the transfer online.
Hi, I'd like to set up online banking. I'm not very good with apps.
No problem at all. I'm Sarah. I'll guide you step by step. Do you already have an account with us?
Yes, I have a checking account and a savings account.
Great. First, we'll register you for online banking. May I see your ID, please?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. I also need your email address and mobile number.
My email is jasonmiller@gmail.com, and my phone number is on the form.
Perfect. I'm creating your profile now. You'll receive a one-time code on your phone.
Okay. I just got a message. The code is 483921.
Great. I've verified your number. Now, please choose a username and a strong password.
I'll use Jason M as my username. I'll create a strong password at home and remember it.
Make sure you don't share your password with anyone and avoid using simple numbers like 1234.
Got it. Can I use the mobile app too?
Yes, once online banking is active, download our app and log in with the same username and password.
What can I do with the app?
You can check your balance, transfer money, pay bills, and see your transaction history. You can also set alerts for when money enters or leaves your account.
That sounds really useful. Is it safe?
Yes, we use encryption and extra security codes. Each time you log in or make a big transfer, you'll receive a verification code on your phone.
Good. What if I forget my password?
You can reset it through the app using your email and phone, or you can visit us at the branch.
All right. Can you show me how to log in the first time?
Sure. Let's open the app on your phone. Now, enter your username and password. Perfect, you're in.
Wow, that was easier than I thought.
See, you're doing great.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome, Mr. Miller. Enjoy using online banking.
Key phrases you learned today.
Starting the request.
I'd like to set up online banking. I'm not very good with apps. Do you already have an account with us?
Security and log in.
You'll receive a one-time code on your phone. Please choose a username and a strong password. Don't share your password with anyone.
Using the app.
You can check your balance and transfer money. You can set alerts for your account. Is it safe?
If there's a problem.
What if I forget my password? You can reset it through the app. You can visit us at the branch. Hello. I'd like some advice about saving money.
Hello, I'm Laura. Please have a seat. What are you saving for?
I'd like to save for a trip next year and also build an emergency fund.
That's a great goal. Do you already have some money in your savings account?
Yes, I have about $8,000.
Well done. How much of that do you think you won't need for at least 6 months?
Maybe $5,000.
In that case, you could put $5,000 into a fixed deposit. It usually has a higher interest rate than a normal savings account.
How long is the fixed deposit term?
We offer 3, 6, or 12 months. The longer the term, the higher the interest rate.
I think 6 months is okay. I still want some flexibility.
Good choice. For 6 months, the interest rate is 4% per year, paid at the end of the term.
And what about the other $3,000?
You can keep it in your regular savings account as your emergency fund. You can access that money anytime.
That sounds good. What happens if I need to break the fixed deposit early?
You can withdraw it before it matures, but the interest will be reduced and there may be a small penalty.
I see. I'll try not to touch it.
Great! Shall we set up the fixed deposit now?
Yes, please.
I'll transfer $5,000 from your savings to a 6-month fixed deposit. Please review these details and sign here.
Done.
Perfect. Here is your deposit confirmation. At the end of 6 months, we can renew it or move it back to your savings account.
Thank you, Laura. You explained everything clearly.
You're welcome, Miss Collins. You're making very smart choices with your money.
I hope so. Have a nice day.
You too.
Key phrases you learned today.
Setting goals.
I'd like some advice about saving money. I'm saving for a trip and an emergency fund.
How much do you won't need for 6 months?
Fixed deposit basics.
You could put it into a fixed deposit. It has a higher interest rate than a normal savings account.
We offer 3, 6, or 12 months.
Conditions and penalties.
What happens if I need to break it early?
The interest will be reduced.
There may be a small penalty.
Opening the deposit.
Shall we set up the fixed deposit now?
Please review the details and sign here.
Here is your deposit confirmation. Great job practicing English at the bank today. You learned how to ask for help, talk about money, and understand bank staff clearly. Replay each dialogue and shadow the speakers. That means speak together with the audio, copying the rhythm, stress, and tone. Do this a few times and your English will sound more natural and confident. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and follow so we can keep bringing you more real-life English conversations. See you in the next video.